is Alex and welcome back on our Kubay Design YouTube channel. Well, as far as you know, we not only making the new G Wagons and all G Wagons into 6x6, 4x4 and any other rocket-like projects and everything else, but some, like in this case, unhappy customers have their G Wagons crashed or damaged during road like situations. So what we have now, it's 2015's, it's a diesel. A customer wants to totally restore it after the car crash. It has the side attack on the road and it's been crashed off. As for the front, we'll replace the front window, the pillars in overall condition. So what I mean, we already disassembled all the interior and replaced all the unneeded parts. Need to disassemble everything, including the doors. The right doors, two pieces, should be replaced totally to the new ones because they are very damaged. It comes at the stand, and by the welding points it will be measured and fixed to the places it should be. So as for the roof, at this stadium we want just to fix it. If it needs some cutting and welding there, well, we'll do that. But as for now, we see that the roof and the side, it's skirted there, it's moved into the center like points, but we'll try to fix it as it is. As for the mirrors, as for all the things like the fenders, the mirrors, it should be replaced. For the plastic parts, it's more easy because it could be painted and replaced. And for the metallic parts, it's more complicated. For example, here, what we have over the window and the roof, we have big points of damage. So of course, the stand, the thing number one you should have in this situation. What we have here, we have the putty. So this car had a damage previously. It has been made locally. So when we make anything with the car, like the metal, you see, we need to remove all the putty, all the previous replacements, all the previous changings to make everything new. As for the bumper, it's plastic part, but G Wagon's plastic is very hard to weld. We'll try to fix it, but maybe we should replace it into MG1. Well, we'll take the decision further. First, we will make the bolt body. Those two doors should be replaced. Why? You see, when we close the door, how it looks like, the gaps. So, fixing of this door will be more costly than we just buy new ones, or not new ones used and painted into this color to match the car's color. As for the side skirts, of course, we will pay the attention here because it has the damage from this side, and maybe the side skirts underneath are also damaged and curved. But what is G Wagon? G Wagon is always about the rust. Rust is very relative to G Wagon, and when you're going to fix anything in G Wagon, you should be professional in this about the G Wagons themselves, because rust and G Wagon is the same. You should replace all the rust here. We see it comes over here and over here, it's a very common problem in G Wagons. As for the rear door, you see we cannot close it properly. Maybe just because of the roof issues and of these gaps, we cannot close it properly. and of course we'll fix it for the overall good condition. So we won't hesitate you with the time. Let's start and begin this project, restoring, repairing and seeing the bold native G Wagon in lost condition.
And well, our professionals from our body shop restored this truck into almost new one from the manufacturer Mercedes-Benz. Needed to upgrade all the roof, cut it off and mounted the new one part here. That's the worst part we had in this car. So what we changed? All the doors, all the molding trims, the new mirror complete, the front window, played a little bit with the front of the car, changed all the fender flares, and at the backwards also changed the rear door. As for the rear door, well, it's a complete interesting part in this car and requires a big knowledge to replace to the new one, just because when you have a car accident all over this perimeter, the frame itself, you see it's very big and massive and heavy, and to install it new or maybe used one to a car, wow, it's a real big pain in the ass. Just because if you're not professionals with the G Wagons, you will not have any result. As for the doors themselves, still heavy, still squared, and to have all the welding points, to have all the joints, all the door lockers got work in this simple and manufactured way, it's not that easy to install this big, heavy, fucking heavy door to this G Wagon. Because the square, it doesn't seem like it's very easy. Why? Of course, because it's square G Wagon. All the points should, in its crossways, look into each other and incomparably be straight lined. This car is straight lined. To make it straight lined once again, it takes a lot of time and money. In many countries, G Wagons are the cars for criminal and mafia guys, and when you just want to enter your car and you see many details screwing your eye, when it especially had the car accident, when it's painted in the worst way or assembled with the closed hands, you will just kill that guys. So if you want to make your G Wagon new, you know where you should visit to.